Well, 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 it looks like Christmas came early in the pretty house because in these boxes, these two giant 30-pound boxes, is a turbo from Stainless Diesel. And it is from the 5-blade Mafia. So, Worm wants to help unbox it. But that's what I get to do today, unbox it and put it together. So keep your fingers crossed because James is not here. I have my trusty assistant number 1 who is eating the tape. I have trusty assistant number 2 who is, underneath the table trying to fight the tape eater. But anyways, let's open this up and get a gander. My trusty assistant is currently in a battle with the hole. It's hard to say who was winning. Oh, he's going back for it. Kitten, you are too curious for your own good. How do I open this? Oh my gosh, there's tape. There's tape and then there's staples under the tape and there's more tape. Oh. Having kittens is so fun. Okay. There we go. Let's get the staple off the floor. So there are little ones. A hose and some clamps. Watch out. Watch out. Ooh, buddy. All right, this is the actual turbo, so I'm gonna put this down and I'm gonna go to the next box because I want to take that out last. Ooh, big paper. Cats are gonna love this. Okay, so here is the exhaust housing, I believe. Yeah, okay. Okay. Ooh, this is nice. Oh, yeah. Lovely. Okay. Are you guys ready for this? And again, this is from 5-blade Mafia. It has a 5-blade billet wheel and a billet center section, dual ball bearings, and a custom, top secret exhaust housing. Okay, let's open this puppy up. Oh, I see the gaskets. Perfect. All right, doesn't look like there's anything else in there. The cats are playing with paper. Oh, the joys of kittens. Okay, how do I open this? We have 2 kittens. Their names are Worm and Constance. So you may hear them in the background doing kitten things. Okay. Ooh. Oh, it looks so nice. Oh, it looks so nice. Okay. Oh, my Lanta. Oh, my Lanta. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's so gorgeous. You guys, I can't even explain to you. And James isn't here. I'm sure he's jealous. Okay. Look at that. Oh, it's lovely. Isn't she lovely? Isn't it wonderful? Right on here it says stainless diesel. You guys want to see it? I'm going to bring it to you because I got to show you the other side too. It's so cool. So shout out stainless diesel, 5-blade Mafia, for customizing this turbo. Isn't that sick? Oh my gosh, it's so big. This thing is massive. Holy cannoli. Phew. And it's heavy as heck. All right, let's put you back down. Okay. Good. So these are the pieces that I have to put together to one. Outside of their packaging, this is again from Stainless Diesel, their 5-blade Mafia turbos. It again has the 5-blade billet wheel on this side, you can see. It has the billet core. It has dual ball bearings, and again, this custom, top secret, not to be talked about exhaust housing. We will share no further data on this. Now let's put them together. I'm so freaking nervous. I'm so nervous. So nervous. Okay. I want it over here. Can I spin my table? Because I want to put the weight on one of the legs. Does that make sense? Because I do not want this to flip over. Okay, that wouldn't hurt if it flipped over, but that's okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. Okay, this is better. Okay. 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 Okay, let's see. I don't know what that was. Grease or something. Okay, looks good. Oh, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. James has stressed to me how important this is and how I cannot mess up. And these little fins are super important and they're very fragile. And so when I'm putting this onto this, I need to be careful. Here we go. Let's see. Let me see how I can do this first. Oh, my Lord. Oh, my Lord. Oh, my Lanta. So I'm going to have to like hold that up with one arm. The cardboard popping freaks me out, man. Okay. Okay. I gotta turn this so I can get it in my fingers. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Oh. Holy smokes. Did I do it? Try to make sure that they're touching. Okay. I think I did it. I think I did it. this turn? It can. Okay. How exciting. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let me put this nut back on here. And we're just going to finger tighten it down. But she is together and ready to make amazing music and lots of fun horsepower. I did it! And she freely spins. Oops, caught on my finger. How cool. And again, stainless diesel. Isn't that the coolest thing ever? Probably not as cool as the fact that it says Marla and James Pretty. That's just the coolest thing. And here is the up close of the billet 5-blade wheel. It is 88 millimeters. By who? Oh yeah, stainless diesel. Thanks again. The turbo's awesome. Can't wait to see it in Marla. And now it is all set up and ready to be installed. Thanks again, stainless diesel and 5-blade Mafia, for this amazing turbo, and again, the custom super top secret exhaust housing. See you later, guys.